Hey, I'm Joshua Felix. I'm the CEO of Shipjeannie. Come take a tour. Go on, let's go inside. Behind me is the receiving docks. We have 3 receiving docks. We have our Mercedes big style van, and right behind me we have our receiving stations. And if we keep going past over here, you're going to see all of our current inventory for our clients. We have racks filled with client products that are storing in our warehouse facility at the moment. You can see from shirts to computer parts. We use any different Amazon stores in our facility, and you can see the various ones here right now. So we're going to keep going past here, and I'm going to give you a little tour of the shipping area. So now we're in the shipping area, and we're going to take you through a quick demo of how we pack our products here at Shipjeannie. This is Carlos, one of our shippers, one of our packers. He's going to take you through how he packs an order. So he just pulled a piece of tape from this machine. He's going to pack 3 quantity. He's going to go ahead and put some bubble wrap inside. He's going to put the invoice inside, close up the package, press the button again, label comes out, and here we go. He's going to finish up the order. Nice and quick, and just stick the label right on top, and done. Now he's going to put on his pile that he just did. These are just a few orders that he's already processed for the day, and that's going to be all for that.